Hello students, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC grade 13 4 2021. We are going to start lesson first. Adaptation in plants. Unit first, plant life. In this unit, first lesson is adaptation in plants. Adaptation in plant. First, we have to know about the adaptation. Why mango trees cannot survive in the desert? Why cactus can survive in the desert? Organism found in a particular area having some specific property by which they are able to survive in that particular area. So about adaptation, we have to study in this lesson. Before starting, pre-reading questions. A few diagrams are given. You see page number 3. Page number 3 you see pre-reading questions. Look at the pictures of these plants. Take the correct name. Notice the difference in their appearance. So first is the coconut. Coconut or banana plant. Pine and gulmohar plant, rose, lotus plant, neem and cactus plant, mango and banana plants. These are names given. So now see page number 3 and you see these diagram. Please see first. To write, it is coconut or banana. It is first one, coconut or banana, you know very well. It is not a banana, but this plant is coconut. Second, pine or gulmohar. Second, you can recognize properly. It is not gulmohar, that is a pine. Third, it is rose or lotus. It is not a rose, but it is a lotus plant. Now next, neem or cactus. It is not a neem plant, but it is a cactus plant. Now next, fifth diagram you see, it is mango or banana. Mango plant or banana plant. It is not a banana plant, but it is a mango plant. Discuss why the plants found in different places look different from each other. Plants found in different places or look different from each other. What reason may be there? The aim of studying this lesson. What is the aim of studying this lesson? Aim to enable the students to enable the students to classify it to classify the plants according to their habitat. According to their habitat. The aim of studying this lesson, to enable the students to classify the plants and according to their habitat. So plants grow almost everywhere on earth. Everywhere on the earth plants are found. It may be found on the hills. It is found in the sea, deep sea, even deep sea plants are found. Plants are found in the desert. Plants are found in the plains. Everywhere plants are found. Plants grow almost everywhere on earth. Plants have adaptation to help them survive in different areas. Adaptations are special features. Adaptations are special features that allow a plant to live in a particular place or habitats. Once again, you see, adaptations are special features that allow a plant to live in a particular place or habitat. These adaptations might make it very difficult for a plant to survive in a different place. For example, a coconut tree is not found in a desert because a desert receives very little rain. According to the habitat, plants can be placed under two main groups. According to the habitat, plants can be placed under two main groups. One is terrestrial plant and other is aquatic plant. Terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. So first is terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plants and aquatic plant. And aquatic plants. Two types broadly, if we broadly classify, plants can be categorized into two categories. One is terrestrial plants and other is aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants means plants found on the land are called as the terrestrial plants. Plants found on the land are called terrestrial plants. You know many plants, terrestrial plants? Mango, banana, banyan, peepal, wheat, etc. etc. So many plants which are found on the land or the terrestrial plants. It is another thing that is the variations on the lands. Some are the plains, some are the hills, etc. etc. And plants found in the water are called as the aquatic plants. So, terrestrial plants or terrestrial plant is one that grow on land. Or terrestrial plant is one that grow on land. The land has different features like mountains, deserts, plains, coasts and marshes. Some parts of land receive very heavy rain, some medium and some very little. There is a variations in the rain in different part of the land. Some part of the land receive very high rain. Some part of the land receive moderate rain, and some part of the land receive a very little rain. So there are variations in the plants. Very cold areas receive snowfall too. In all these areas, we find different kinds of plants that adapt to the natural conditions of the areas in which they live to be able to survive. So first, in the terrestrial plants, there are the categories of the terrestrial plants. We will discuss one by one tomorrow. First, we will discuss the plants on hills. Next, we will discuss about the plants in desert, plants in plains, plants on sea coasts, plants in marsh areas. So, thank you. That's what it is.